A very good morning to all of you students. Welcome here. This is G session and we are studying that active and passive voice. In earlier video we have discussed simple present tense in active and passive voice. In this video we will deal with simple past tense. Means uses of past tense you all know. Means in which situation we can use simple past tense that we know. See, the meaning and usage of past tense in passive voice is also similar, but the construction pattern, the sentence pattern is different. So we'll deal with that. I mean this affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence in active and passive voice. So you all are requested to write all the rules in your book. Topic is simple past tense. I'm not telling you the use of this because you all know how we can use in this, how can we can use this in sentences. Okay, so active voice construction pattern is subject plus V2 plus object plus other words, and we will change this into passive voice. So this object will come here, it becomes subject, was and were. After that this V2 becomes V3 plus by, after that we have object and other words. Okay, this is our affirmative sentence pattern of active and passive voice. Now we'll turn the sentences into passive voice using this sentence pattern, and the sentence pattern is this. And now sentence: she played a game with me. Okay, so this she is our subject, played is V2, a game is an object, and this with me is that extra words. So a game will come here when we change into passive. A game was played by her with me. Now second one: they called me yesterday. Me will come first, so it becomes I. I was called by them yesterday. Okay, this way we can change active sentences into passive. Please you note down this. After that I'll give you some more sentences. Please note down. Next sentence: he brought 2 letters to me that day. Okay, so here we have 2 objects, that is letters and me. So we will have 2 answer of this. 2 letters were written by them to me that day. Now me will come first. I was written 2 letters. No. Only one is possible. Well, practically it is not possible, but if we go, means if we take this me as an object of the sentence, so that will possible, okay? Number 4. The students gave a party on my birthday. So party is here. Party was given by the students on my birthday. Okay, now number 5. She posted many stories on Instagram. So many stories will come first. Many stories were posted by her on Instagram. Okay, this way we can change affirmative sentences into passive voice using this sentence pattern. Please, you not done. After that we will go for negative sentence. Next will be negative sentence pattern. Active voice, subject, negative, active voice, subject plus did plus not plus V1, object and other words. Okay, this will be changed into passive. So subject plus was verb plus not plus V3 by object other words. So here one more thing is not that was verb plus not plus V3 means that this V1 is here and we have to convert that into V3. Sentence is she did not inform, no, she did not collect enough information Okay, so this enough information will come first. Enough information was not collected by her. Second, they did not attempt that match. So this that match will come first. That match was not attempted by them. Okay, you first note down these two sentences. After that we will go for more sentences. Please note down. Number 3, she did not open the door when I knocked it. Here we have two clauses connected with when. So we will change both into passive like this. The door was not opened by her when. Now see, this is our affirmative sentence. So here we will apply that affirmative sentence pattern. When it was knocked by me. Number 4. I did not reply when you called me. So I did not reply you. Sorry, here one thing is missing. You when you called me. Now it is perfect. See, this you will come first. So you will not, sorry, you were not replied by me when you called me. When I was called by you. Here okay, this way this when kind of sentences can also be asked, and when you have this kind of sentences, at that time you have to change both the clause, whether that one clause is negative or affirmative. So those both clauses you have to change into passive. Please you note down this. Now interrogative sentence. Active voice did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus other words question mark. Here was verb comes first plus subject plus V3 by object other words and question mark. See first sentence. Did you arrange your chair yesterday? So this your chair will come first. Was your chair arranged by you yesterday? See, here you are not allowed to change the form of the sentence. Means we have interrogative sentence, so you have to change passive into an interrogative. Second, did she take did she take your book to copy those answers? So here we have this your book. Was your book taken by her to copy those answers? Okay, this way we can change interrogative sentences into passive voice using this sentence pattern. Please you note down this. After that I will give you some WH word sentences. Another sentence is, did she tell you that a princess story? So that princess story, we have one story, so we will use was. Was that princess story told by her to you? Okay. Now see, when we have WH word, like when did you call me? Suppose we have WH word, so nothing to change in that. You first have to put when here. When. Now this me will come first, so we will put when was I called by you. Only these changes, okay? Let me give you one more. See, where did you find that key? So that key will come first. Where was that key found by you? So when you have WH word, nothing to change anything new. You just have to put WH word at the beginning point. Okay. One more I am giving you. See. What did you ask her? So answer is, what was asked by you what was she asked? No. Okay, first you write down this will be discussed later. Please note down this 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now we will do mixed sentences. See, why did you tell that to me? So here that will come first. Why was that told to me by you? Number 2. Did she open we have used one. Did she paint these pictures? So were these pictures painted by her? Now number 3. who did make this mistake. So see, when you have who, we will change them into by whom. By whom was this mistake made? Question mark. Now number 4. Who did here no need to write did, okay? Though we have written, it's okay, but if you don't write, like see, who wrote this diary? So here also we will do the same thing, that who made this mistake. So by whom was this diary written? Okay, so when you have who, at that time you have to take by here. No need to repeat that by in the sentence. So this way we can make interrogative sentences into passive voice. Please you note down this. Okay, so student, this is our simple past tense in active and passive voice. You have to write seven sentences of active and passive voice of simple past tense and post your homework into group. Well, we will meet again with simple future tense in active and passive voice in next video. Till then, please take care. Bye.